Hello students, today start with the examples of commutative, associative, identity and inverse. First example, the binary operation star is defined on Q means rational numbers, by A star B equal to AB plus 1. AB belongs to Q. Check whether star is commutative, associative. We know that for commutative, A star B equal to B star A. For all AB belongs to G and G is a set. First, A star B equal to, the definition of star is defined in the example is AB plus 1. First is the multiplication of these two elements and then add 1. A star B means AB plus 1. AB plus 1 can be write as B into A plus 1. AB equal to B into A, we know that. And B into A plus 1 is the definition of B star A. In A star B, first element multiplies second element, and here first element star second element. Therefore, A star B equal to B star A for all AB belongs to Q. Q is the set of rational numbers. Therefore, operation star is commutative. Next, to check associativity, if A star B star C equal to A star B star C for all ABC belongs to G, then we say that star is associative. First, check left hand side A star B star C. First, star apply on this bracket and then resultant element apply on C. A star B equal to AB plus 1. By definition, A star B equal to AB plus 1 star as it is C, since A star B equal to AB plus 1. Now this consider as one element and this is the second element. And in definition, A star B equal to AB plus 1. First element into second element. Here first element AB plus 1 into second element C and then add plus 1. Solve this bracket, we get ABC plus C plus 1. Now check A star B star C. Now apply star on this bracket. A star as it is, B star C is by definition BC plus 1, since A star B equal to AB plus 1. Here first element B, second element C and then add plus 1. Now here first element A, second element whole BC plus 1. And by definition of this we get A into BC plus 1 plus 1. Solve this bracket, we get ABC plus A plus 1. Now here we get A star B star C equal to ABC plus C plus 1. And here A star of B star C equal to ABC plus A plus 1. By 1 and 2, we get A star B star C equal to ABC plus C plus 1, ABC plus C plus 1, and A star of B star C equal to ABC plus A plus 1. ABC plus A plus 1. If A equal to C, then we say that A star B star C equal to A star of B star C. But if A is not equal to C, then ABC plus C plus 1 is not equal to ABC plus A plus 1. Therefore, we get A star B star C equal to A star of B star C. Therefore, star is not associative, because associative property hold for all the elements of given set, but here it is true for only when A equal to C. For all A, B, C belongs to Q. This. Now, second example. Is the operation star defined by A star B equal to A raised to B well defined on natural number? If yes, check whether it is commutative and associative. To check A star B equal to A raised to B well defined on natural number, here AB belongs to natural number, then their resultant element also belongs to natural number. Then we can say that star is well defined on natural number. A, B belongs to natural number. A star B equal to A raised to B. We know that A raised to B, when A, B belongs to natural number, also belongs to natural number. For your explanation, consider A equal to 2, B equal to 3. Then A star B equal to A raised to B. Therefore, A star B is 2 star 3. A is 2, B is 3. 2 raised to 3 is 8. 8 also belongs to natural number. Therefore, A raised to B belongs to natural number, means star is well defined on natural number. Now check whether it is commutative and associative. For this, we consider two elements of natural number. Let A equal to 2, B equal to 3. To check commutative, let A equal to 2, B equal to 3. We have for commutative A star B equal to B star A. Then we say that star is commutative. A star B equal to A raised to B. This is the given definition of star. A is 2, B is 3, which is equal to 2 raised to 3, 8. Now B star A equal to, this is the first element, this is the second element. Here A star B equal to A raised to B, first element raised to second element. Now B star A equal to first element raised to second element. Means B is 3, A is 2, 3 star 2 equal to 3 raised to 2. 3 raised to 2 is 9. 8 is not equal to 9. Therefore, A star B is not equal to B star A. Therefore, star is not commutative not commutative on natural number set. Now to check associative, you know that A star B star C equal to A star of B star C, then we can say that star is associative, and this is hold for all the elements of given set G. Here given set is natural number. This is the definition of associative. Let A equal to 2, B equal to 1, C equal to 3. Now first check A star B star C equal to what? A star B star C means 2 star 1 star 3. Now apply star on this two element. 2 star 1 means 2 raised to 1 star 3, 2 star 3. By definition, A star B equal to A raised to B. 2 star 3 equal to 2 raised to 3, which is equal to 8. Now check A star of B star C equal to A is 2 star, B is 1 and C is 3, which is equal to 2 star 1 star 3 is 1 raised to 3, 2 star 1, which is equal to 2 raised to 1 equal to 2. By definition of A star B equal to A raised to B. Here we get 8 and here we get 2, but 8 is not equal to 2, therefore A star of B star C is not equal to A star B star C. Therefore star is not associative on the set of natural number. Now see the next example. Define a binary operation star on Q. Define a binary operation star on Q star. Set of Q star means set of non-zero rational numbers, as A star B equal to AB upon 2, AB belongs to Q star. First, show that star is commutative. Second, show that star is associative. Third, find the identity element. And fourth is find the inverse. Of each element. First, show that star is commutative. Here star is defined as A star B equal to AB upon 2, AB belongs to Q star. Set of non-zero rational numbers means 0 does not belongs to Q star. Show that star is commutative, that is to show that A star B equal to B star A. If we get A star B equal to B star A, then we say that star is commutative. To show that star is commutative, that is to show that A star B equal to B star A for all AB belongs to Q star. First, find A star B. A star B equal to, by definition, AB upon 2. By definition of star. AB upon 2 can be written as B into A upon 2, and B into A upon 2 is the definition of B star A. Therefore, we get A star B equal to B star A. Therefore, star is commutative on Q star. Second, to show that star is associative, that is to show that A star B star C equal to A star of B star C. First, find A star B star C equal to A star B by definition AB upon 2 and star C as it is. By definition of star. Now consider this is the one element and this is second element, and by definition of A star B equal to AB upon 2. First element into second element upon 2. Here first element AB upon 2 and second element C. Here we get A star B star C equal to AB upon 2 star C, and definition of star is A star B equal to AB upon 2. Here first element AB upon 2 into second element C and upon 2. We get ABC upon 4. Now to find A star of B star C, we get A star as it is, B star C by definition B into C upon 2 equal to, this is the one element, this is the second element, and by definition of star A into BC upon 2 upon 2, we get ABC upon 4. Therefore, we get A star B star C equal to A star of B star C. Give as equation number 1, give as equation number 2. By equation 1 and 2. Therefore, star is associative on Q star. Next, find the identity element. Next in the example is find the identity element. To find identity element of Q star, we know that A star E equal to E star A equal to A for all A belongs to G. Then we say that E is the identity of G. Consider E is the identity of Q star. Here we consider E is the identity of Q star. Therefore, A star equal to E star A equal to A for all A belongs to Q star. A star E equal to A. A star E by definition A into E upon 2 equal to A, by A star B equal to AB upon 2. Now to find value of E. A upon 2 equal to A means A equal to 2 into A, equal to 2 into A upon A equal to 2. And here we consider E is the identity of Q star. E is the identity of Q star. Therefore, we get here E equal to 2 means 2 is the identity of Q star. Now, third, find the inverse of each element. inverse of each element. Fourth, we know that if A is or B is inverse of A, B is inverse of A, then A star B equal to E, which is also equal to B star A. B is the inverse of A. Suppose for all AB belongs to G, then we say that B is inverse of A. Suppose B is inverse of A in Q star, where AB belongs to Q star, means A star B equal to E, and E is the identity of Q star, means here E equal to 2, A star B, and by definition of star, A star B equal to AB upon 2, which is equal to 2. A star B equal to AB upon 2, means AB equal to 2 into 2, 4, and B equal to 4 upon A. For all AB belongs to Q star. Therefore, we get inverse of A is 4 upon A. Therefore, 4 upon A is the inverse of A for all AB belongs to Q star.